Hey guys, this video is just a quick update of why is Telegram people nearby not showing. So there is a feature in Telegram called the people nearby where you can search the people nearby and you can interact with them, you can add them. So why it's not working, let's see. Now if we go on to the Google search and just type that why is it's not working, you will see the AI overview by Gemini that the people nearby feature on Telegram is not likely working because Telegram has officially removed it, citing concerns about the potential misuse by the bots and scammers. So that was the reason Telegram has officially removed that, guys. So you won't be able to access it afterwards, meaning the feature is no longer available on the app and users can't access it anymore. One more point is they have replaced it with the businesses nearby. So the Telegram founder Pavel announced the removal of people nearby as the part of efforts to improve the moderation on the platform. So it has been abused. So that's why they have replaced this with businesses nearby. Now you can search for nearby shops, whatever, like that. So this is the reason why you are not able to access that feature because it is no longer available now. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more amazing stuff on the Telegram or the latest updates, you can join the playlist link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.